Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the exact setup that you need to use the extension instantflow on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm going to get through all the process from the beginning to the end when you use the extension properly. So the first thing you need to know is the extension works on Google Chrome. So it only works on Google Chrome on computer. And to avoid some conflicts with other extensions or with the Chrome cache, we need to use a new Chrome profile. So when you open Chrome, you can have your profile at the top right here. You just click on it. And now you can create a new Chrome session. At the bottom, you have an add button. You just click on this add button and it will open a new window. You will continue without account, so no need to connect with a Gmail. You can connect without any account. Now we are just going to name the profile. So for example, we can name it Instagram Instant Flow, for example. Okay, so like this, so we know we will use this Chrome session for Instagram and to use instantflow Chrome extension. Now you just select a color and you click on OK and it will create the Chrome session. Now we are going to add the instantflow Chrome extension. So you just write instantflow Chrome on Google to find the extension. You can accept. You just click on the link which is here. And now you can just add the extension. So we add the extension like this. We will wait. We can pin the extension by clicking here and pin it. So we can find it here. Now we are going to connect on Instagram and Facebook. So you will connect on Instagram and Facebook on this Chrome profile. It's really important because it will not work if you're not connected on the same profile as the extension. Okay, so once you're connected on Facebook and Instagram and you have your extension ready, you will have to double check a couple of things. So first thing, really important, if you are never connected on Instagram or Facebook on your computer, you have to warm up your account. So to warm up your account, you can like some posts, not too many posts, okay? But you can just like some posts, comment, and send some messages. Really not too many, guys. You just want to show to Facebook and Instagram that you are connected on your computer. So you will do that during 3 days. And at the same time, you can just double check the thing I'm going to show you. You will just click on the button which is at the left on the URL and you will directly go to settings, so website settings in English. You click on it and now you will go to pop-up and redirection and you will allow it completely, okay? You will scroll a little bit and you will find the clipboard, okay? It's in French, but it's clipboard in English. You will also enable the clipboard. And so you do that for Facebook, but also for Instagram, okay? You will click here and same thing, you will go to website settings, you will allow pop-up and redirection and the clipboard here. It's really, really important to do this so the extension can work properly. And please check that Chrome is updated. It's really important too. So if by any case you have a bug on your extension, you will have to double check if Chrome is updated. And also if you have a bug on the extension, you can right click on the extension and click on Manage Extension. And now you can directly update the extension. Okay, now everything is ready, so we can use the extension. So I'm going to explain everything for Instagram, so from the beginning to the end. The first thing we need to do is go directly to settings and we will have to write our text template. So it's here, you will have to create a new text template, name it, so call DM number 1, for example. And now we have to write the DM. So there is intro, but there is also bodies and outros. To write an intro, you just click on the button, same for bodies, same for outros. And the principle here is that we will have at least 3 intros, 3 bodies and 3 outros. At least, guys, you can do more, it's better. So I'm going to write everything and explain it to you just after that. So just for the first intro, I show you that you can use the user first name if you want. So you just click here and it will use the first name of the Instagram account. So just to show you how the first name works, it will use this first, the first name here. And to avoid like some high agency or high doctor, the system will check if there is only 2 words here. So first name, last name, like Instagram recommends it. And it needs also to have no special character, no emoji. And only in that particular case, it will use the first name of the Instagram account. So we come back to the extension and I will write everything and show you. So okay, I've written everything, so I will explain how it works. Every time that the extension will send a message to someone, it will use a different path between the intro, the body, and the outro. So for example, if the first message uses this path, hi user first name, I've seen that you're in the digital space, how long have you been in it? The next message will use a random path. So for example, it can use, hey, I've just seen that you're in the digital space. How long have you been in it? So we just have to remember that it will send first the intro, then the body, and then the outro. And that completely randomly. So now you can just save your DM. You have your template ready. So now we will have to set up our delays. So it's here in the settings tab. You can directly set up your delay. So you will put a minimum and maximum. So the system for each message will choose a random delay between these 2 delays. The most important thing to keep in mind is you need to respect the Instagram and Facebook limits, which are 10 messages per hour and 60 messages per day. So you can set up the delay that you want, but you have to respect these limits, guys. For example, I can put 150 and 250 and put 10 here. So once I will reach the 10 messages, I will have to wait a certain time so I don't exceed the 10 per hour and 60 per day. So for example, if I put directly 60 here, I will have to put 360 and 450, for example. So like that, I will not exceed 10 per hour and the limit is 60, so I will not exceed 60 per day. So you put the delay you want, but respect these limits, guys, if you want to stay safe. Now you just have to save the delay. And no worries about this, I will not explain that in this video, so don't touch the CRM pipelines for the moment. Now you will have to directly create your tags. So you go in the tag section, you can create a tag by clicking here. You name your tag, so for example, hot leads. So you put your tag, you put the color, and you can directly create your tag. Now we will see how to target on Instagram. So I will go in the home page and I will choose a random account here. So just to explain, if I open the extension, you have 4 target methods. So the first method will use the followers of an account. So if I put the name of the account here, so I just copy paste the name of the account in this field, I click on the plus. And now what the extension is going to do is go to the follower list and send a message to the followers, okay? So this is the first target method. The second one is the hashtag. So you will choose an hashtag, so you can just go here and like for example, put hashtag leads. It's just an example. You will choose this hashtag, for example. And now what you can do is copy the hashtag and directly paste it here. So you can put as many things as you want every time, so as many accounts as you want, as many hashtags as you want, and as many post URL as you want. But for the hashtag, it will directly go to the hashtag and contact the people who publish on this hashtag. So for example, it will contact this account here. Just keep in mind, guys, that there is not a lot of posts for each hashtag that are available by Instagram, so you will be limited by numbers really fast. So my advice is enter as many hashtags as you want in this field. And then we have the post link. So you just have to find a link and directly use the post link. You will copy paste it directly in this field and click on the plus. You can do it as many times as you want. And the last one is the list. So if you scrape a list of Instagram accounts, you can directly paste it in this field. So it will contact the account directly. So for example, if I use this account here, I will just copy paste the name of the account in the list field. So I just paste it here. And the next one will directly be pasted here. So I will paste all the accounts. So for example, I write different names. Okay, so I have 4 accounts here. So it will contact these 4 accounts. You can also put a comma between each account, it will work. Okay, so now that I've explained everything about like the target method, we will use this account to make a test. You will have to put a session tag, so not necessary, but you can do it. You can put a session tag to attribute a tag to each person to who you send a message to. So everyone in the session will have the tag cold lead, so everyone that I will contact will have this tag. You can also directly choose your message template here. So you just click on it, and now you will choose if you want to contact only new people that you've never contacted before with the extension, and you can send only messages, or if you untick it, you will also follow the people. Now you just have to click on start and let the system work. Once the limit of messages that you've set up in this field will be reached, you will have to do nothing because the extension will stop by itself. For Facebook, it's pretty much the same, okay? The only thing that changes is the target method. So for the session tag, for the messages, for the delays, everything is set up in the settings tab. So you set up everything. It's the same for Instagram and Facebook. Same for the text templates, it's the same. So on Facebook, you have to find a group. So we will take this one, and you can see that you have to put something in a field here. So it's the URL, so the link of the member section. You just go to the member section of the group, you take the link here and you paste it in this field. Now you will choose if you want to contact like the people new to the group, the admins and moderators, or the members with things in common. So you can see there is the admins here, there is the members with things in common here, and there is a new to the group in this section. And now you just have to put your session tag, your message, and directly choose if you want to contact only new people. And only messages is you will add them as friends or not. If you want to not add them as friends every time, you can tick this box. I forgot to say something at the beginning. You need to be connected on Messenger. It's really important. So you have to be connected in Messenger and directly allow everything on Messenger. So pop-ups and redirections and the clipboards as well. Now I will show you a last thing. You can access to your back office with all your leads in this tab, and you can automate your follow-up. So for Facebook and Instagram, to do that, you just click on the automation button, you select your message template, and you select the social networks that you want to use. And now you will directly click on start send. But if you want to change the tag after having sent a message, you can directly tick this box and select the new tag. So for example, if they are in follow-up 1, you can directly select follow-up 2, and everyone that you contact from the follow-up 1 list will be switched to follow-up 2. So they will not have the follow-up 1 tag anymore, they will just have the follow-up 2 tag. Like that, you can switch people from pipeline to pipeline, and that automatically. And now you just have to click on Start Send. It will launch the extension and contact the people. You will have to do nothing. The delay will be the same, so it will be these delays with this maximum of requests. So that's it, guys. If you still don't have instantflow, just go to instantflow.ai and you can directly start your free trial. You can cancel it at any moment. I see you on the other side.